Hi guys, I wanted to say a big thank you to all my subscribers. I've managed to get 500 subscribers and that's absolutely surprised me because that was never my intention to start this YouTube channel. It was actually to build my confidence up, as I didn't have any confidence whatsoever. That's why the videos at the beginning, when I started out, I wasn't in it. I didn't talk on it. My son was amazing and he did all the videos and he typed all the words all in, and I got better and better, and then I found myself a bit more confidence in myself to actually speak to you guys, and you know that's really amazing. And some of the comments what I've had back from you have actually made me cry, because it's so nice and special to get something back. As I said, I didn't have any confidence. My wonderful husband said, you know, you love making things, why don't you put things on YouTube? And I was like, oh no, can't do that. Well, I'm so glad that I listened to him, because my confidence has gained and gained and gained. So I do appreciate you, all of you who leave likes, who leaves comments, and especially that have subscribed to me. One bit of advice that I could give to you guys: if there's anything there that you're frightened of doing, don't know if you should do it, I say to you all, go ahead and do whatever you want to do. That little bit of confidence gives you courage, and the only way that you can get courage is doing something that you find really hard to do. That was like my mother. She was agoraphobic for about 11 years, and then she had to go out the house, and she conquered that fear after 11 years. So I was really proud of her. So I'm going to say again, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. My heart is yours. My tree is full of hearts. That's who I am. Thank you, and thank you again.